Okay, guys, here I am. I'm coming. Let's start. Let's try to do let's try to do a live session that's operational. Let's see a little bit. At the moment, well, the trend is nice, upward. I have set the anchor in reg with the setting provided with the string. At the moment, we have reached the first level. VIX R1. I have returned the assistant indicator that I am finalizing. I hope to finish it for this week. It signaled the short at the moment TT57. About 30 points. We are still within this channel, even though the new anchor channel is forming. Lean, Reg. 1 minute. A little more at the opening. No, a little less. Okay. I'm still here. I'm evaluating everything. Everything that's happening to try to understand what to do. At the moment, in short, it seems directed. G. Stopped. You could see an attempt at a long achievement of the target, as the GPS indicated the achievement of the target, the volume pressure increasing. In short, it had turned red. Now it has become colorless, which continues to indicate, in short, that the target had been reached. So change color. Then on the next bar, in short, it updates the target. In short, the levels, and it doesn't press anymore. The volumes, 3 minutes are still missing. The values are there. They are good. There would be also a test now from below again of XR1. It could easily rest a bit lower here, right? On this nice space that has been drawn by the bat chart. In short, almost live. Let's wait a little bit. It's not there yet. I still see some bite. In short, I should. At the moment, it seems to hold. Do you see how it touches the middle part of the information channel? If they give us a little back here at 64, we placed our buy limit at 63. And enter at this moment. I expect a test at 86. If it breaks here at 29. Let's say from another downward view, we can build a position that does not exceed 5 lots. Up to here, of course, we place a stop below 200. Around 2. And 30, another 2 is one at 26. There was one at 26. Nothing, it didn't take it. By a little, I don't know if we can manage now. I caught it on the fly. So if it goes to 26, we're in. Anyway. Okay, now it's stationed on this one. In short, the area. What I expect to hold is this maximum here from 28. There we. In short, I was expecting a slight deviation to take this 26. I would have liked it, but at the moment it didn't go that way. We're still there. It's beautiful. I underestimated it. I'll just show it. Beautiful hammer with lots of good volumes. Millimetric opening. 82. It is started. Then you see now a VXR test that isn't staying calm. Okay, our position is starting to move. I expect in short the same movement. The figure on the technical side. In short, from the perspective of the candles and silk on that, it was much nicer. I expect in short a bit of recovery also from the nose, which maybe can lead to a nice engulfing if it goes all the way up to consume the entire candle. This is previous, so an engulfing. This one should completely consume this one, but it's not exactly precise because it can work. We'll just throw one out. There it is, placed. The first one went to the register. Let's see if it gives us on R2. Maybe we can break it and give away another 403. Placed there. Let's say that virtually we remove this buy limit we had. We set the stop slightly. Exactly. We placed it at 60, so in this area here below the median of the regression line of the regression channel, the central one that was turning upwards, and you see how it changes color. Very useful as an indicator. I don't know using it because, well, we have kind of made an evolution in the sense that maybe those who follow me for a while, well, then they understood. In short, the concept behind these channels, however, can certainly be useful for those who are new. So, for those who have recently joined the chat, you see how the price has bounced again on XR1. The assistant, an indicator, renews for us the invitation to be cautious from this level. Frankly, it can certainly be justified. In short, a contrarian, so maybe caught on the fly from 85.76, which has already been done. In short, 10 points that could have been taken home. In this, in short, the opposite. At this moment, we are long because, well, we have used this technical analysis figure just above the income. In short, it was justified. In short, it was an extension of this channel. If you go to extend, maybe if we go to extend this, let's see if we were to extend this, which was the original one. This other one developed during the night. In short, do you see that? The extension where it takes us in short, right at these levels here, where I hadn't extended it in short, I had it visually, also because sometimes I don't use it, because in short, I repeat over the years, in short, I can imagine these extensions on the chart, but here's what it's for. Anchor lean, reg, just to give us the idea, in short, of a swing point of where the market might reach. And so, in short, to look for an operation like the one I did, maybe not at the level, but with other conditions, always with the strategy's perspective, because it was long, because we are above the D2 bias. In short, it's positive, okay, at this moment, so it can absolutely be considered. But like the first hop, just before the opening on the first test of XR1, they are beautiful shots that, frankly, I didn't take, but they could have been done easily. Let's go back to the operation. I know for a moment I forgot. Adverse law, it was forgotten in quotes. On a stop inserted, we see, and I am below its profit. With the first part of the operation, we saw if 30. In short, just how to reach an operation. Precisely for this reason, I probably had to close all three on VXR. And now it has closed for me, also the other two. I have eliminated the order race, a short we have done, and the dollars. We have to do some other operation. That one is a bit nicer, but I'm a bit burned because I repeat. Maybe I should have exited with all three at this level. Okay, price down again. The indicator was right, the opposite. So absolutely valid. I should have listened to it. At this moment, we have the vol pressure, which, however, continued to be positive. It gives us the target colored because it has reached the flip point, so it lights up. We might perhaps redo the previous operation. Maybe let's see if we can catch it a bit more. Low 250. The entry at the level was beautiful. BC3 information that we see here. And beautiful movement was made. I always show it. These things are beautiful. In short, practically at the tick on Guanti Magra, Massimo's expectation at the touch, good chances the level will be broken. In short, the trend is a beautiful pattern in short Atma, beautiful. On the basis, the channel that was previous, look how much it's beautiful. Very beautiful swing from in short. I caught it on the fly here in the 77.80 area. A 20-point swing. But even wanting to wait for the closure for amber and wanting to enter here at 83. 95. In short, a beautiful figure. When Max in short was alone. The objective in short is clear. And Limpido reached at a great price is retracing so absolutely perfect. As an entry, it would have been brought by I didn't do it. Here it comes. The data was a stop on the rise. Obviously, don't trade during the data. In the first few minutes, let's see how far the video we are recording has reached. We are at 17 minutes. Let's try to do some more operations in the last 10 minutes. I'm not always sure to make them not too long. And still the operation in short is still valid short, if from re1. In short, Vixer is indeed a beautiful one. I know it also from the BC3 level. Really beautiful information, very precise. There's a desire to go up. There's a desire to go up. This sentiment. In short, it gave, in short, in my opinion, a good signal. In short, a small break. In short, rise as they are doing now. In short, so level 82 at this moment at 7 and 82. Probably if aiming for the rise, if it makes a small correction. Now, in the 92 area, I try to always enter in log and ensure that I make a detailed and comprehensive entry. Is to be done. Move to 97, 93. And 75. We have positioned it. There is a bit of resistance. These are analyses we know. As I tried, here our contract has entered. And its contract. Let's see if what it gives. If there's an immediate, I usually do it with a pilot, but not trying to be limited, but to try to make you understand everything that can be done even with lower capital. So maybe another time. I will do it with micro just to demonstrate that indeed it is possible. Do everything depending on the capital one has available. Let's see if it gives us, again, once more approximately 300. Now, in short, it must first pass 307, then 312, 314, and then aim for 321. This is the schedule 307. It did a first test. I'll give you a bit of commentary. I still believe a lot of time. Let's see, we are at 21 minutes, still E, 7, 8 minutes. Can we manage to close this swift operation? Obviously now it must not fall below 300, but it could break in short. 325 with strength, which then represents 1D max. Let's see what it does. And if it broke, it went in max. It rested above, did a nice test. I'll show it to you here. It broke, retested it from above and started rising again, making a new high at 801. Nice movement on S&R, really well defined with a strong upward push. Let's see if the Nasdaq follows along. It should. Too much with strength. 1D max of the Nasdaq holds. I expect a break in short. That's what I expect. Maybe it won't happen, but I expect it. And if it continues to act, come on, Nasdaq, don't disappoint me. We start the objective we have reached. I could easily take this other swing up to me. I would like a break of Wang Di Max, but apparently it has held for the moment. I would like to close the video with a nice bullish flare-up. We're almost there. Take a look. We're 25 minutes away. Give it a few more minutes just in time for the breakout. If it manages, obviously, seen in mind, well, not seen in mind, I'll do it here for a moment. We are going to put ourselves on this stop below. Basically, we are positioned down here, 3 on with our stop, the breakout of 1 in max. At this moment, a test has occurred from the other side. Let's see. Let's hold on. Come on. Let's see. We might have another few minutes. Otherwise, I'll close it here. Then maybe I'll show you the result of the operation in the chat when it will be concluded.
the video. I have to make it a maximum of 30 minutes and we're at 26. If you ask me why I have to do this, it's because and the software that does the translation for me, because you know that my English is terrible, so the software that does the translation for me can upload videos of a maximum of 30 minutes. Okay. 1nMax gives us the short. Here, the assistant contrarian so quickly. Maybe was meant to be done on the first operation. All right, it's 27 minutes. Come on, let's wrap it up here. I expect another breakout here. For Vario Aria. Upper. Here they have uploaded, but we can also upload the weekly levels and then weekly levels. We have a BEART a bit higher. So this is in short a target area. From what do I go to imagine? Potential. Okay, in short, I'll wrap it up here live. This operation doesn't, this is liking holding on too much. We put ourselves a bit higher. Nobody here. We put here at 312, leaving 10 points to the market. I can also close it here. In the meantime, the operation doesn't close, but I believe this video, as always, I invite you to give it a like the video and follow me on social media. Thank you all for your attention. We'll talk again after the chat.